Elon Musk has once again sent shockwaves through the automotive world, and this time, it's over something nobody expected, in an affordable Tesla. The all-new 2026 Tesla Model 2 comes with a 0.9-meter gap in its chassis design, and it's sparking one of the biggest debates Tesla has ever faced. Some call it a dangerous gamble. Others say it's a revolutionary leap forward in vehicle engineering. But here's the truth. This is more than just a car design tweak. It's a complete reimagining of how vehicles are built. And it could change automotive manufacturing forever. Let's break it down. Silent speed style. The problem with traditional car building. If you're driving a regular car today, it's probably made of 400 stamped metal parts, all welded together with around 1,600 weld points. That means 1,600 chances for something to fail under stress. Each weld, no matter how precise, carries a small failure risk, between 0.5% and 1% in extreme conditions. Multiply that across the whole frame, and you start to see why engineers lose sleep. It's not just about safety either. All those welds slow down production and cost money. Between $500 to $1,000 extra per vehicle, money that you, the buyer, end up paying. Tesla's mega casting revolution. Tesla decided to rip up the old rulebook. Instead of stitching hundreds of small parts together, they used massive 6,000 to 9,000 ton decasting machines to create the entire front and rear underbody as single solid aluminum pieces. The result? 400 parts become just 2 or 3 major castings. Production time drops by 30%. Costs fall by up to 40%, saving $5,000 to $7,000 per car. And that's how the Model 2 can be priced under $25,000, while still making a profit. The role of the 0.9-meter gap here's where the controversy comes in. Between Tesla's massive front and rear castings is a 0.9-meter connection zone, where the two sections are joined together by the battery pack acting as a structural floor dot. Instead of 1,600 weak welds, you now have 3 ultra-strong connections, each designed to handle forces that would rip apart traditional welded joints. The benefits are staggering: 27% lighter chassis compared to traditional builds, better acceleration and range, fewer potential failure points over the vehicle's lifetime. Stronger than it looks, you might think. Fewer connections mean less safety, but Tesla's data says otherwise. The aluminum alloy they use is 40% stronger than typical automotive aluminum, and instead of welding, they use aerospace-grade structural adhesive combined with high-tensile bolts that can handle over 1,200 megapascals of force. The bond surface is 1,000 times larger than a weld bead, spreading crash forces across square meters instead of millimeters. In real-world tests, torsional rigidity is 30% higher than a Model 3. The chassis absorbs 25% more crash energy. Cabin intrusion is reduced by 15%. Why it works? The human spine principle. Tesla's design mimics the human spine, rigid segments connected by strong but flexible joints. In a crash, forces are spread evenly instead of concentrating at one point, which prevents catastrophic failures. The Cybertruck already proved the concept, surviving brutal off-road impacts without structural damage. The Model 2 takes it even further, making this engineering breakthrough available in a budget EV, built for safety, savings, and speed. This isn't just about making cars faster or cheaper. It's about making EV ownership possible for millions more people. Lower manufacturing costs mean prices can drop below $25,000, especially when combined with government incentives. Putting clean transportation in reach for the average family. Maintenance is cheaper too, 20 to 30% less per year, and repairs cost a fraction of what traditional frames demand. The bottom line: the 0.9-meter gap in the 2026 Tesla Model 2 isn't a flaw, it's a statement. It's proof that vehicle design can be safer, lighter, stronger, and more affordable all at once. Traditional automakers are scrambling to copy it. And if you're wondering whether you can trust this stitched-together design, just remember, sometimes the future doesn't look like what we expect, it looks better. Would you trust your family in a car built this way? Let me know in the comments, and type mega casting if you're ready to embrace the change. Stay tuned, because silent speed will keep you ahead of every game-changing move Elon Musk makes. If you want, I can now also optimize this rewrite for YouTube SEO by embedding your high-ranking keywords throughout while keeping it natural. That way it not only reads better but also ranks higher.